down here to talk about what VoIP is and what the benefits of VoIP are and how that can be used for your telephone system. So as of 2025, BT have announced that they'll be cutting off the traditional analogue lines. So that includes analogue lines, ISDN, anything that runs over copper. That means that by that time you need to move your phone system over to hosted, otherwise you will be cut off. So if you've currently got an on-premise phone system, if there's a problem or something needs changing, an engineer will need to come out and physically do that at the phone system. With moving everything to hosted, everything's in the cloud, which means that to be able to make changes or to do fixes, it can be done remotely. We have access from a remote portal to be able to make changes, so we can do things like changing names if you've got staff that leave. We can change the way that the phones ring. We can essentially rebuild the entire phone system from scratch, and this is something that can be done remotely. Another benefit to it is that you've got remote working. At present, if you've got an on-premise phone system, you typically wouldn't be able to have access to be able to take calls from home. Instead, what we can offer is a remote app, so this is something that can be on your mobile or your PC, and this allows you to take phone calls from the business number. It clearly states that it's from the business phone number, and you can manage these calls so you can transfer them to other colleagues. You can also make outbound calls presenting the business number, which is a lot more professional rather than when being from home, just phoning from your mobile number. Another benefit to VoIP is that it caters for all types of businesses, starting as a sole trader up to being multi-sited. A benefit for sole traders is that it gives them the opportunity to have a geographical or a non-geographical number, so an 01, 02 or 03 number or an 08 number. This is statistically proven to make a business look more professional. It's more likely to result in business. So if you're interested in a VoIP system, the process of getting switched over is really straightforward and simple. It starts with you getting in touch with us, and we'll find out a little bit more about what you need. After this, we'll come out to you, we'll have a further discussion, we'll take a look around your premises to see if there's any equipment that's needed and see what you've currently got in place. After this, if you're happy to go ahead, we then get information like your names of the users, so who's actually going to be using the phone system. If you're just having remote working apps instead of having physical handsets on your desks, we can get the phone system set up in as quick as a day, but sometimes you could actually have your new phone system in the same day. If not, then we'd arrange to come out to you to install the phones. You have a choice of phones, there's a few different options for you to have. Most importantly, the team at Triton Telecom are there for you every step of the way. So if you're interested in a telephone system with us, feel free to call us on 0800 849 8030 or contact us on email via admin@tritontelecom.co.uk.